Hi, Karina Gardner here, and today we're going to do a color review. What this is I'm going to show you all the different ways you can change colors in Illustrator because there are a lot of ways to do it. Before we get started, I want to make sure you know about my design bootcamp. It is the most amazing experience if you are learning how to design. It's a 1 week live that I do, and registration is open now. So you can go check that out at karinagardnercourses.com. Okay, let's get started here. So let's talk about my favorite way and then other ways that tend to be just really convenient. So my favorite way is to go to the color picker. Now I am assuming yours actually looks like this. You have a white fill and a black stroke if you've opened up Illustrator, okay? So you'll notice I clicked on this and immediately my color window opened up. That doesn't always happen. That's my convenient way of getting color. My favorite way for getting color is to double click on that fill or that stroke and get your color picker. This color picker is amazing, okay? It has all of your white, almost white hues up in the top left-hand corner, and then it has your dark black hues, and then your true color hues right up in the right-hand corner, okay? So that's how you gauge how you do color. It has this wonderful slider. It's so good that will help you choose colors. And especially if you have like maybe a color in here, if you slide it, you're gonna get the same amount of black and white variation in that color depending on where you've got it if you just slide it up and down, okay? The second place I love to take a look at is the color swatches. It's right here in the color picker. If you click on that, you can see that they've got swatches already set up for you that are true colors. So these are just great if you're looking for something specific. If you go back to color modes, it will get you back to this where you can pick your colors. Now this right here is called your hex number. So I will copy this hex number and use it anywhere. Like you can use it on the internet. Like maybe you have certain colors that you use with your logo and you need it on your website. This is the number that you're using right here. If you don't have Illustrator, this alone is like a huge win. I also use this when I'm flip-flopping between InDesign and Photoshop. That way I'm using the same color for all the materials that I'm creating, okay? Your CMYK is right here, and this is percentages, so that can be helpful for a number of different things, and then RGB right here. I don't use the HSB very often, but just so you know, it is there, and you can get the percentage from that if you're looking for any kind of project that you're working on, okay? All right, now, if you don't want to use the color picker, there is also your color window. So if you go to Window, Color, you can see mine is check mark because it is up right here. You can get this very little window, okay, and that can help you choose colors right here, and you can see that it immediately changes the color over here to whatever is up front. So for me, it's the fill. The fill is what's front. If I need to change the color of the stroke, I need to click on the stroke and bring that up front, okay? So whichever one is up front is the one that's going to change the color. If you want a little bit more, if you click over here, you can see that there's like 3 little lines and it allows you to show options. So I'm going to click on show options and it gives you sliders for CMYK or RGB depending on what color mode you're in. So I can slide these right here and I can slide down here. Pretty simple, right? And those are my 2 favorite ways to go find color and make changes to color depending on what's going on. I like the color picker the best just simply because usually I'm working on one-toned type things, but if you're working on gradated things, is that a word? Gradation, or you have, a lot of different elements, this color window can be very, very helpful because it's always sitting up and you can change the colors there, okay? If you are looking for more tutorials, more free, you can go check that out at karinagardner.com. Click on VIP and join my course VIP group. I'm always sending out free everything, tutorials and such. Everything you need to know about Illustrator. It's really fun. And if you want to see more tutorials, you can find them all on my YouTube channel at youtube.com/KarinaGardner.